Hi, I'm Melissa from Toronto Fire Services. At this time of year, we may find that we are spending more time in the kitchen cooking and baking some holiday treats. During the holiday season, why not give the gift of fire safety? This is a great time to check and make sure that your smoke alarms are working. Replace your smoke alarms if they are over 10 years old. If you aren't sure how old they are, simply look at the back of the device for the expiry or manufacturer date. Remember, you need working smoke alarms on every story of your home and outside all sleeping areas. Test your smoke alarms by pressing the test button to make sure that they will alert you and your family if a fire occurs, giving you the precious seconds you need to safely escape. If your smoke alarm does not respond when you press the test button, simply change the battery and try again. The battery in your smoke alarm should be changed at least once every year. If it still does not respond, replace the entire smoke alarm device. For more information on fire safety, please visit us at toronto.ca/fire. Thank you and stay safe.